How to add money to Hanpass Wallet. Before starting, download the Hanpass app available on Google Play and the App Store. Adding money with bank account via manual transfer. Tap Add Money. Tap Add Money from bank account. Enter the amount of money you want to add to your wallet. Tap Next. Enter your 6-digit PIN. Copy the virtual account number. Tap Complete. Tap Done. Open your bank app and tap Transfer. Paste your virtual account number. Choose John Buck Bank. Tap Next. Enter the same amount of money you want to add to your wallet. Tap Send. Adding money done. Open your Hanpass app to check your balance. Adding money with bank account via auto debit. Tap Add Money. Tap Add Money from bank account. Enter the amount of money you want to add to your wallet. Tap Next. Enter your 6-digit PIN. Adding money done. Tap Done to check your balance. All done. Use your Hanpass wallet for remittance and payments.